Good morning. Examples on reducible to homogeneous differential equation. Right? How to solve this? Annually given question fixed name, right? So dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y minus of 3x divided by 2x plus y minus of 3. So I want to solve this kind of example. Solution. Write down given. So write down in the form of reducible to homogeneous differential equation. Dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c. Check whether it is in the form of this equation is not in the form of this. So I want to check like this. A dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. Now it is exactly in the form of this. If it is not there, to convert in the form of this, that is equal to differential equation. Means I want to reduce homogeneous differential equation. It means to eliminate the constant, right? So write down the coefficients of x and y. So in numerator, x coefficient is a is equal to x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is b, y coefficient is 2, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to minus 3. There is not constant. So not necessary to write this. A dash x coefficient is a dash that equal to x coefficient is 2, y coefficient is b dash, so y coefficient is 1. So check whether it is a by a dash is equal to b by b dash. Check whether it is equal to or not equal to. A value is 1 divided by a dash value is 2 is equal to b value is 2 divided by b dash value is 1, means 1 by 2 divided by 1 is 2. Does 1 by 2 is equal to 2? No, it is not equal. Means a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. The given example in the form of this a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. So what is this procedure? Nini theorem badsidla hanga ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? So step 2, put small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k, right? But I want to dy by dx, so differentiate it. So dx is equal to capital of dx plus h and k are the constant. dy is equal to capital of dy. So you should find h and k, means put x and y value, dx and dy value in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes right. So capital of dy by dx that equal to capital X plus h plus 2 into capital Y plus k minus of 3 divided by 2 is constant. So x is capital X plus h plus y is capital Y plus k minus of 3, right? So next step what next? So dy divided by dx, so that equal to, so club variables x and y. So I want to club x plus 2y plus h plus 2 multiply plus 2k minus of 3, right? So it is like this, whole divided by 2x y plus 1 variable club ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ plus 2 into h is 2h plus k minus of 3. Call this equation 2. To reduce homogeneous differential equation means, so this term should be equal to 0, means to find h and k, that value becomes 0. After finding h and k, if you substitute h and k value, this equation that equal to 0. So next to find h and k, h ಮತ್ತು k value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು, right? So h value ಮತ್ತು k value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Write down it in the form of this 2h plus 2k minus of 3 is equal to 0. 2h plus k minus of 3 is equal to 0. So to find h and k by using Lagrange's multiplier method, so h coefficient is 1, so h coefficient is 2, k coefficient is 2, k coefficient is 1, so minus 3. Now repeat first and second column. So 1, 2, 2, 1. Now deleting first column. So it is h, it is k, and it is constant 1. Should write like this. So write down h divided by cross multiply. 2 into 3 minus 6 minus of minus plus 3 that equal to k cross multiply. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6 minus of minus it is plus 3 into 1 is 3, so that equal to cross multiply. So 1 divided by 1 into 1 1 minus 2 into 2 is 4. You must find h and k value, right? So h divided by minus of 3, so that equal to k divided by minus of 3 and 1 divided by minus of 3. Equating each, h divided by minus 3 is equal to 1 by minus 3 and therefore h is equal to plus 1. h divided by minus 3, sorry, k divided by minus 3 divided by 1 divided by minus 3. Therefore k is equal to plus 1 again. Right? If we substitute h and k value in equation 2, we get that term equal to 0. H value is 1, k value is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 3 is cancel, it is 0. So h value is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, equal to 0. After finding h and k value, you should write like this. Right? So h value bantu, k value bantu. So next step you know, therefore put h and k value in equation 2. Equation 2 the substitutement is capital of dy divided by capital of dx, so that equal to x plus 2y plus it is 0 divided by 2x plus y plus it is 0. It means x plus 2y divided by 2x plus y. So call this equation 3. The equation 3 shows that it is exactly in the form of f of xy, f1 of xy divided by f2 of xy. So it means it is a homogeneous differential equation. Means I already reduced it in the form of this. So what is its procedure? Put capital Y, dependent variable y, so that equal to take another variable z into x. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಮಕೋ ತಿದ್ರಿ y is equal to small y is equal to zx ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋತಿದ್ರಿ. So y ಬರುತ್ತೆ capital Y, dependent variable ಏನಲ್ಲ same procedure as it is. ಇದಂತೂ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. So ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. Differentiate because of I want to divide by dx, so that's why dy by dx capital ಅಂತೀವಿ. So that equal to u into v for z plus capital X into dz by dx. Therefore equation 3 becomes, if y ಮತ್ತು dy by dx value equation 3 the substitutement, we get it. So z plus x into dz by dx, so that equal to, so x plus 2 into y is zx divided by 2x plus zx. So z plus x dz by dx, so that equal to, so x is taking common 1 plus 2z divided by x is common 2 plus z only. So x get cancelled, 1 plus 2z divided by 2 plus z. So z actually corresponding minus of this z. So taking LCM, x into dz by dx, right? So that equal to 1 plus 2z cross multiply minus of 2z minus of z into z is z square divided by 2 plus z. It get cancelled. X into dz by dx, so that equal to 1 minus of z square divided by 2 plus z. Right? Derivative dz, the function is f of z. So derivative is dx, function is f of x. Now separating the variables. So variables available. So cross multiply 2 plus z divided by 1 minus of z square into capital of dz. Cross multiply 1 by x, capital X into dx. right? After separating variables, so what next? Integrating on both sides. Integration like this. So I want to write like this: integration of 2 divided by 1 minus of z square into dz plus z divided by 1 minus of z square bracket into dz. So that equal to integration of 1 by x into dx. Use a plus b divided by c, a by c plus b by c if it is possible. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಪವರ್ 1 ಇರಬೇಕು, ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಪವರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ a plus b divided by c ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. 1 minus of z square ಇದನ್ನ 1 minus z into 1 plus z ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂದೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು integration of 2 divided by 1 minus of z square into dz plus integration of z divided by 1 minus of z square into dz. So that equal to integration of 1 by x into dx. So 2 is constant, take it outside. Integration of 1 divided by a square minus of x square, it is 1 divided by 2a, a value is 1, into log of a plus b 1 plus z divided by 1 minus of z, plus it is exactly in the form of f dash of x divided by f of x. Z power is 2, it is z coefficient is minus, so it is 1 by 2 into log of f dash of x divided by f of x, means 1 minus of z square. So that equal to LHS is log, so I want to take RHS is also log x. Integration of 1 by x is log x plus log of c, right? So 2 get cancelled. Log of 1 plus z divided by 1 plus z divided by 1 minus of z minus of 1 by 2 into log of 1 minus of z square into log of, it is log of m into n xc. What is, you have to put z, so it is z is equal to what? Should write like this another. So cross multiply 2 into log of 1 plus z divided by 1 minus of z. So minus of log of, should write like this, 1 minus of z into 1 plus z. Then log of xc. Log m by n, 2 max 2 square, it is 2 square. So log of m by n 1 plus z whole square, m divided by n 1 minus of z whole cube into 1 plus z. 1 get cancelled, so it is only z. So that equal to log of xc, capital xc. So remove the log, get remove the log. So 1 plus z divided by 1 minus of z whole cube. So that equal to xc. And also in detail of everything, right? So next to what you have to substitute z, replace z by capital Y by x in above equation. So 1 plus capital Y by x divided by 1 minus capital Y by x whole cube. So that equal to x into c. What is capital Y? Input ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ input, but small x is equal to capital X plus h ಅಂತ put ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it means, so x is equal to, capital X is equal to, so x minus of h, so capital X is equal to x minus of h value is 1 and y is equal to capital Y plus k ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ, therefore capital Y is equal to y minus of k. What is k value? K value is 1. Putting x and capital Y because of given equation in the form of small variables, so that's why. But here answer is capital variables, so that's why replacing capital X and capital Y. Therefore our equation becomes so 1 plus, so it is y minus of 1 divided by x minus of 1 whole divided by 1 minus of pi minus 1 divided by x minus 1, x minus 1, so whole cube, so that equal to x minus 1 into c. So simplify my, right? So that is the solution of given equation, right?